Today I'll be talking about RWAs, which stands for real world assets. You see, more and more on-chain investors are turning to RWAs to capture high yields that are uncorrelated to crypto volatility. Now, according to RWA.xyz, the tokenized RWA market currently sits at 12.8 billion, and BCG projects it to grow to 16 trillion by 2030. Now, just listen to this again. Currently at 12.8 billion, and BCG projects it to grow to 16 trillion by 2030, which is basically in 5 years. Today we're going to talk about Centrifuge, and this is also a coin that we are holding, and we've been holding this investment since it launched. However, do your own research. As always, I don't know shit about crypto. Anyway, let's move on. Centrifuge was an early pioneer and visionary for real-world assets and has since developed standards and communities that have shaped the industry as we know it. Centrifuge has financed 640 million in assets to date and currently has a total value locked in of over 300 million. Centrifuge is a creator of the ERC 7540 standard and Tokenized Asset Coalition and the RWA Summit. Centrifuge offers the infrastructure and ecosystem to tokenize, manage, and invest in a diversified portfolio of real-world assets with fully collateralized asset pools, investor legal recourse, and an asset class agnostic protocol encompassing structured credit, real estate, US treasuries, carbon credits, consumer finance, and much more. Beyond its on-chain financial infrastructure, Centrifuge ecosystem includes a DAO supported by a diverse community of finance professionals and developers. So basically, get ready for an exciting update on Centrifuge, because in this video we will discuss the recent news and we will also look at some future price predictions for the next couple of years. So just in case that you're new to crypto, well then get yourself educated, because this market is poised to take off. And as you might know or not, it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects. So please do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and join the live streams. They will be on very soon so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. The live CFG price today traded at 0.34 cent, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 269 with a live market cap of more than, or let's say only 172 million. Currently trading at 84% below its all-time high, which was recorded on October the 15th, 2021. So currently could generate 540% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Just keep in mind, if we're really going to see this explosion in real world assets on the blockchain, remember those trillions market goal that we were talking about for 2030? Well, I believe that we can go much higher than the previous all-time high. Now let's get into the news, and there has been some major news. Centrifuge and Anemoy have teamed up to participate in the tokenization Grand Prix, let's say, which is an opportunity to redefine the future of on-chain asset management. So this collaboration leverages Centrifuge tokenization technology and Anemoy's asset management expertise to bring a very powerful institutional grade solution that meets the evolving needs of Sky, previously MakerDAO ecosystem. Now, the proposal delivers a full service solution that seamlessly integrates every stage of real-world asset management, from origination and tokenization to securitization, management, and distribution. Now, at the core of the proposal is a strong strategic partnership with Janus Henderson Investors. Well, they are a global asset manager overseeing more than 380 billion in assets. Janus Henderson will act as a portfolio manager for the proposed Anemoy Liquid Treasury Fund, bringing expertise in fixed income and alternatives to strengthening the offering. This partnership ensures a level of credibility, reliability, and performance that aligns with the demands of institutional investors across the globe. Anemoy announced a strategic partnership with ArcX, the UK's first regulated digital securities exchange, broker, and custodian, to add the liquid treasury fund with the ticker LTF to its primary platform. This partnership allows ArcX users to directly access the LTF through the platform, marking a significant step in broadening distribution for tokenized assets and enabling streamlined on-chain investments into one of the most familiar asset classes available, US Treasury bills. Centrifuge is partnering with Chronicle to enhance transparency for the Anemoy Liquid Treasury Fund by providing real-time price updates and third-party verification via a decentralized RWA oracle. This integration enhances transparency for stakeholders, providing visibility into the fund's full portfolio, including cash movements and on-chain holdings. Oracles bridge the gap between blockchains and the external real world, so to speak, enabling smart contracts to operate using real world data. Also, Gnosis DAO leveraged Centrifuge Prime to create a legal structure to invest in tokenized treasury bills through the Anemoy Liquid Treasury Fund. The Gnosis DAO, leveraged over $3 million, is part of a broader $10 million pledge for Centrifuge Prime to create a legal structure to invest in tokenized treasury bills through the Anemoy Liquid Treasury Fund. Centrifuge Prime offers an all-in-one package of the functions and services needed to manage a diversified portfolio of real-world assets, one that is resilient, compliant, and easily scales to meet the needs of decentralized organizations. The Gnosis DAO's investment strategy focuses on diversified yield sources supported by a robust legal infrastructure established by Centrifuge. The collaboration ensures compliance and security for real-world assets investments. Additionally, Centrifuge Prime offers ongoing management and support for the RWA portfolio, allowing DAO members full visibility and direct monitoring of the managed assets through Carpet Key. Centrifuge is also launching the first RWA lending market on Base using the Morpho protocol. The Morpho vaults, curated by Stakehouse Financial and Re7 Labs, will include collateral from various tokenization platforms, including Centrifuge, Midas, and Hashnode. This initiative represents the first permissioned lending market integrated with Coinbase verifications, allowing customers to self-attest their KYC status. The streamlined onboarding process enables verified wallets to access lending solutions while facilitating collateralization and borrowing against assets like Anemoy's Liquid Treasury Fund, Midas's short-term US Treasuries, and Hashnode's US Yield Coin without liquidation. Now, at launch, the market offers several benefits of supplying liquidity as a lender, including increased liquidity and higher yields through incentives. Later, they will add benefits to borrow against the tokens, including immediate liquidity and leverage on the underlying assets. Centrifuge has also introduced the Treasury Advisory Group, and we will refer to that as TAG. So the Treasury Advisory Group is a dedicated team of experts tasked with advising on all Treasury-related activities. So with the introduction of TAG, Centrifuge DAO members can anticipate enhanced information access, structured spending processes, and increased accountability. The group will provide community education on treasury management, improve governance with expert assessment of proposals, and promote long-term financial thinking for sustainable resource management. Through the end of the year, the TAG will deliver a comprehensive treasury report outlining spending, the origin of the approximately 18 million CFG tokens, and a summary of funded and unfunded proposals. They will also introduce a request for comments, amending Centrifuge's proposal number 2 in order to enhance the funding proposal process and establish spending goals for the DAO. And finally, let's take a look at some future price predictions. And the first one comes from Wallet Investor, and they believe we're going to see a high of $3.60 in 2025. And the second one comes from Trading Beast, and they're seeing a high in 2025 of only 0.55 cent. Now, the last one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predicted the price will hit 0.85 cent in 2025. So as always, I like to give my 2 cents on the dollar, and this time I would like just to give my own future price prediction. I believe that we will see the CFG token trading at around $10 by the end of 2025 and beginning of 2026. That's what I see. But remember, you have to do your own financial research. Don't rely on me, because as you all know, I don't know shit about crypto. Now, I'm a big believer in the, let's say, migration from traditional finance onto the blockchain. And I think that Centrifuge is playing a big role in the future of bringing real world assets onto the blockchain. We can also see that they're doing a lot of work on, implementing transparency and really increasing or optimizing their platform. So that's all I got to say about that. In case this brought you any kind of value, please hit like, smash, subscribe. And I hope I will see you soon at the live streams.